There's nothing like it. It's a sphere, not just any sphere, the largest sphere in the world, featuring the biggest screen ever built, and it costs $2.3 billion. Las Vegas, the city that has made a name for itself by being extra in every possible way, has just outdone itself, and it's set to make any concert hall, stadium, or venue you've ever seen a thing of the past. It is so massive that I had to transport one of the world's largest cranes all the way from Belgium to Las Vegas to piece it together. The crane needed its own crane to be assembled. It was like Inception, but with cranes. The exterior is interesting, but the interior is where it gets really mind-blowing. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie. The sphere offers a sensory experience that will leave you questioning reality. With haptic technology, using 40 different elements, including wind and scent, you might be wondering why Las Vegas would drop a cool $2.3 billion on this extravagant project. Well, in a city where some blackjack tables have $1 million minimum bets, this is just another roll of the dice. Will the sphere be the jackpot Las Vegas has been waiting for, redefine entertainment as we know it, or is it a losing hand dealt to the city, leading to a huge loss? Let's find out. Las Vegas, a city renowned for its unapologetic extravagance, has a history of pushing the boundaries of excess. From its humble beginnings as a dusty railroad stop, it quickly transformed into the world's entertainment capital. The mid-20th century saw the Rat Pack's electrifying performances and the rise of iconic casinos like the Flamingo, epitomizing its love for opulence. The 80s ushered in a new era with the Mirage and the Bellagio, boasting erupting volcanoes and mesmerizing fountains that pushed luxury to extraordinary heights. Fast forward today, the Sphere takes Las Vegas's extravagance to a whole new level. The Sphere is a music and entertainment arena just a block away from the iconic Las Vegas Strip. It offers what's called the Sphere Experience, where you can get tickets to see ARTAA, a humanoid robot to take you on a journey to the future. It is over 100 meters tall, 150 meters in diameter, surpassing the world's past largest sphere, the Avicii Arena in Sweden. At $2.3 billion, it holds the record of the most expensive entertainment venue in Las Vegas's history. With a capacity for 18,000 guests, it's poised to be the ultimate destination for concerts, awards shows, product launches, and much more. Now, you might be thinking, a sphere for concerts, isn't that an acoustics nightmare? You're not wrong. Circular and spherical shapes are notorious for their tricky acoustics. because such shapes concentrate the reflected sound in particular areas, leading to a non-uniform sound quality for the audience. But the Sphere solves this problem with technology. It has the most advanced audio tech, featuring 160,000 individual speakers that deliver sound to every individual seat. This will lead to a uniform experience no matter where you sit in the hall. It will also allow for playing in multiple languages. Everyone can listen to the show in their preferred language. You might be listening in English, the person next to you might be listening in Spanish, and so on. It will be the headset sound without the headset for every seat in the house, as the president of the group puts it. Now, while I'm not sure how much noise that would cause for people sitting next to each other, listening in different languages, it's certainly an interesting way of delivering a personalized experience to every individual in the audience. On July 4th, the Sphere teased the world for the first time with its capabilities by illuminating a staggering 1.2 million LEDs. It transformed into the Earth, the Moon, and even an eyeball. With a massive 56,000 square meter LED screen, it even plans to bring back to life the king of rock and roll, Elvis, in an AI-generated show. With this massive price tag, the only way the investors of the Sphere, MSG and Sphere Entertainment, can make their money back is through advertisements and shows. Advertisements on the outside screen, the inside screen, and a percentage of any show performed at the venue. But there might be a little problem. The sheer size of the screens on either side and the fact that they aren't flat leaves producers of such ads and shows with a huge problem. Their typical content would look pixelated and distorted on these massive screens. This is so serious that many artists had to turn down the opportunity to take the stage on the opening night. Because there is no commercial camera capable of recording at this resolution, they had to invent a new camera system with a whole post-production workflow named the Big Sky. They even created an entire movie studio to build content for the Sphere and partner with musicians and producers to help them create content for their shows and ads for this venue. While the engineering behind the creation of the Sphere is really impressive and showcases an incredible blend of design, technology, and construction, the project has sparked a range of mixed reactions. There are those who are genuinely concerned, especially when considering the potential distractions it might cause for drivers nearby. The dazzling and radiant display, though mesmerizing to many, might inadvertently lead to traffic and, even worse, road accidents. Similarly, for guests of the hotels just across the street, there's a growing worry about the probable sleepless nights they might face. The Sphere's luminance, which, while visually striking, has the potential to escalate into an unwelcome form of light pollution that could pierce through curtains and disrupt peaceful sleep for the hotel guests. Last but not least, just across the street, there is Wynn, which is not just any golf course, but one of the most exclusive golf courses in the world. Some believe the members of the Wynn who arrive in hopes of experiencing idyllic backdrops and looking to golf in serene landscapes might not be impressed by having to look at a giant eyeball. In a city where more is always more, the Sphere is sitting as a big question mark. Will it become a popular destination, redefine entertainment as we know it, and return its multi-billion-dollar investments, or will it turn out to be a terrible gamble that will struggle to find brands and partners for its massive screens? Let me know in the comments what you think of the future of the Sphere. Thanks for watching. My name is Tease, and I'll see you in the next one.